Tired of drowning in information? Let's turn that digital deluge into a streamlined workflow using RSS feeds and the magic of Zapier. First, you'll need a Zapier account. If you don't have one, sign up. It's free to get started. Once you're in, click Create Zap to begin building your automation. In the Trigger section, search for RSS and select RSS by Zapier. This will be the starting point for our automation. Choose New Item and Fee as your trigger event. This tells Zapier to watch for new content published in the RSS feed you specify. Click Continue. Now, paste the URL of the RSS feed you want to monitor. You can find this on the website you're following, usually indicated by an RSS icon, often a little orange square. Click Continue and Zapier will test the connection to the feed. Once successful, you can add an action step. Let's say you want to automatically share new blog posts to Twitter. Select Twitter as your action app. Choose Create Tweet or your preferred action and connect your Twitter account. You'll then map the data from the RSS feed, like the title and link, to the tweet content. Customize your tweet template with relevant information and click Continue. Zapier will test the action to ensure everything works smoothly. Finally, give your Zap a name and turn it on. Now, every time that RSS feed updates, Zapier will automatically post a tweet for you. Explore other actions like sending emails, adding to spreadsheets, and much more. Happy automating!